In this video, I'm going to show you how to add accessories in Roblox Studio. So we're just going to start by creating a new experience. And the first thing that I like to do is go and add a rig or an avatar to this game. Now you can do that by clicking on the toolbox. Now click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to models. And then using the search box, go and search for the word rig. Now you can choose any of these. The one that I like to use is this R15 rig. Now to go and add accessories, just click on plugins in the top navigation. You can then click on manage plugins, click on the plus icon, and in the search box, go and search for the word accessories. Now you need to click on this one here, which is accessory inserter. And you can see it has a 92% rating. So click on this and click on install. Now, once that's finished installing, we can just close out of this window and you can click on insert accessory in the top navigation. Now to go and add an accessory, we need the accessory ID. So just go and load up the Roblox website and make sure you're signed into your account. Click on marketplace in the top navigation. And then just go and locate the accessory that you want to add into Roblox. So I'll just be adding this random samurai hat here. And once you've selected your item, you need to copy this number which is in the address bar. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure all of these numbers are selected. Then right click and press copy. Now this is the asset ID number. So if you come back over to Roblox Studio, you can then go and enter in that number that we just copied and press apply. And as you can see, that's automatically going to place this hat onto our Roblox avatar. And you can basically do this with any accessories that you want to add. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.